This is all you need? You want that? Hey, yep. Right, that's how you get it, right? Good. Good. Yes. Good boy. Yes. It's really important when there's this age that you reward them on the third time, because if they keep trying to get what they want and you ask them to do the sit too many times at this age, they can actually quit. So if you were to watch about every third time right now, he's going to get rewarded. Yes. Sit. 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 Ah, good boy. Yes, good. You just do that and create a pattern so you can trust the dog and he can trust you, that you're going to give him what he wants. Yep. Yep. Sit. Just like that. Good boy. Sit. Good kid. Sit. Ah, good boy. Yes, good. Yes, you are. Oh, you're having so much fun, aren't you, buddy? Huh? Yes, you are. Sit. Good sit. 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 Ah, good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yes, you are, huh? Yes, is what I like to see right there.